So, what final words of wisdom do you have for up and coming entrepreneurs that possibly want to follow in your footsteps?
So one of the things that hit me real hard
Mhm.
here within the last probably about 2 years ago that I never really knew was this. Basically, when I started growing my first company and I
Mhm.
started getting to where we were very close to our biggest, I would go to a lot of seminars and a lot of conferences. I'd wind up being a part of these big tables or these
Mhm.
big dinners with my clients and my competition,
Mhm.
right? And a lot of my competitors, um, they seem brighter than me. They seemed more well-rounded, accomplished, college degrees, bachelor degrees, master degrees. It's really, really intimidating, and I couldn't understand how I was at those tables at that
Mhm.
time. Right? It was hitting me like, how am I basically 2 or 3 times bigger than this guy next to me? I
Mhm.
was probably under the national companies. I was probably, if not the biggest, one of the top 3 biggest regional companies in the nation.
Mhm.
So, I really couldn't understand how I was there and bigger than those dudes. It always bothered me for a while. But once I started, 2 or 3 years ago, personal development and reading books and
Mhm.
really exposing myself to a lot of the bigger players. You probably read this book by Napoleon Hill.
Oh
It's
yes.
not good to great. What's the name of it? Do you remember what it is?
Would you think and grow rich?
Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. I
Yeah.
read Think and Grow Rich,
Yeah.
and Think and Grow Rich told me what it is that I had that I didn't know that I had, and it was persistence.
Mm-hmm.
And just merely showing up every day and working harder than other people.
Mm-hmm.
Hard work will outperform, what is it, skill, when skill doesn't work hard or
Yep.
talent doesn't work hard. I learned that from that book, and that right there just made me feel like I can do anything and that I can just blow out anyone no matter what it is that they have over me.
I mean, that's a great segue. I mean, the mastermind principle is pretty much what you're talking about. Is one of the elements of the
Oh,
mastermind
exactly.
principle. So
Yeah,
it's
man.
once you find Think and Grow Rich and you kind of understand those theories and you start to actually use them on a day-to-day basis, it changes everything. It's and the thing
Yeah.
it was written back in like 1932,
I know, man.
and it's still practical and it's 2020. So it's definitely
More
a
than
mind
ever.
blower. It's crazy, man.